Appearances? For the
Good
prosecution?
afternoon, Your Honors. Same appearance for the prosecution. We are ready, Your Honor.
For the respondent?
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Same appearance for the defense.
I see that Attorney Lotok is already situated in the witness
Yes, Your Honor.
stand. To remind you, Attorney Lotok, you shall continue with your testimony and be subjected to the continuation of cross-examination of counsel for respondent and shall be answering under the same oath that you took yesterday. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Respondent counsel may now continue with this cross-examination. Attorney Viduan, you are recognized. You may proceed whenever you are ready.
Your Honor, before we proceed, may I request that counsel for the panel of prosecutors, Attorney Virgil Ligutan, be recognized once more for the examination of our second witness.
Counsel for the prosecutors, Attorney Ligutan is recognized on the part of the panel of prosecutors. Again, to reiterate, Attorney Viduan, when you are ready, you may proceed with the continuation of your cross-examination of the witness, Attorney Lotok.
Good afternoon, Attorney Lotok.
Good afternoon, sir.
So yesterday, you identified videos, correct?
Yes, sir.
And specifically, portions of the November 23, 2024 Presscon.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, in that Presscon, VP Sara spoke about a lot of topics. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
All right. In other words,
Mr. Witness, kindly answer yes or no,
Yes, sir.
not simply say,
in other words,
Sorry, Your Honor.
she said many statements in that Presscon.
She said many statements, sir.
All right. My question is this. Do you know for sure that VP Sara's statements during that Presscon happened in real life?
In real life? Well,
Objection, Your Honor. Incompetent. The statements happening in real life as to the real life of the Vice President, this witness is being asked that question. Of course, the witness is incompetent, Your Honor, please.